Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Tattooed Chef, TTCF's ticker, and Tattooed Chef makes bowls that are organic and vegetarian, vegan, and they're plant-based. So awesome stuff. If you haven't tried it, I recommend highly the cheeseburger bowl or the mac and cheese. Cheeseburger is probably the best and hardest to find. So good luck out there. Let me know in the comments below if you guys can find it. So you can see back here, I had a nice run. All right, back here when I had a triple buy indicator, I was 1, 2, 3. I got the trifecta, MACD, stochastic, and moving averages all co-aligned. And this is when I sold a cash covered put and made money on it. Should have bought the stock. I could have made a lot more if I bought the stock at that point, but then it came back down pretty quickly. Now, at this point, when I got the triple sell indicator, I didn't do anything really. I just rode the stock out. And I was like, okay, let's see how far we go down. And we got rejected off of the 200 moving average line. The 20-day moving average moved lower. It moved under the 20-day, and I was very disappointed with the stock. Not getting a lot of good press. Even though their year-over-year, quarter-over-quarter growth is massive, they're not profitable, which is unfortunate, but they're getting better. I think they're going to crack that nut pretty soon. The problem is they're growing too fast, and they have a lot of supply chain issues, just like everybody else. But if you go in the store, good luck trying to find them, right? They're always out of stock. So the people at the stores always say, yeah, we stock these things and they're gone like no time flat. So they need to pump out more volume. That's the first problem. Okay, next problem is they have technical indicator problems. Now they got a positive technical indicator here because we had a little bit of price movement to the upside. That's only because the 20-day moving average is moving down and the stock is moving sideways, and then we had a little pop at the end. Alright, cool. Now you can see here the MACD, we do have a little bit of positive indicator, but not a lot of trading volume. So this thing could really go either way. The stochastic popped, pulled back a little, and it's going up gradually. So I think this is a really good time to sell a cash covered put. Stay tuned. This week I'm going to be selling a cash covered put here in Tattooed Chef. And hopefully there's some good premium in here. Due to the massive price drop, volatility should be a little higher. There is a floor here at $16 that it keeps bouncing off of. So if I can sell a option and have a $16 cost basis, I'm in. So right now the stock is 18, so I need a $2. Let's go look. Sorry if I'm getting a little distracted here. I was wondering what was going on there. That's a lot of premium. So at $17.50 we have 85 cents. So not great. Not a great premium. $18 we have $1.10. Probably squeeze $1.20 out of it. But still not $2 like I'd like to see. So I'm gonna have to evaluate this as we move along. Be sure you guys subscribe, and we'll do a little bit of real-time analysis when I do the trade, and we'll see how it goes. But it is moving higher this week, so I might just buy some stock. It doesn't sound like me. Probably sell a put of some sort. I might go out a little further. Let's instead of 19 days, go out to 47 days. So 45 days is where the real juicy premium should be, and not really. So $17.50, $1.35. Yeah, I'm not excited about it. Alright, well, we'll have to reevaluate next week. Be sure you guys subscribe, bottom line. I'm excited about this stock. It could go skyrocketing higher. It's definitely going to blow through this $27 once the supply chain issues get fixed. And you can see some more in the stores, and they can sell a lot more product. And expand their product line out, other than the frozen food bowls that are pretty quick and easy to make. so they fit my cooking style. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.